Hello friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Softly Said stamp set, which I am inking up with the Fresh Freesia ink, and then I'm coming in with a dauber and I'm daubing on Berry Burst. So these colors I've actually chosen from the Just Kiddin designer series paper. And actually, if you haven't got this paper yet and you love kids and they're doing some art and coloring and having fun, this is the paper for you, and you can get it as a celebration item right now too. So it was very timely that I shared this card design with you. So again, I'm making 2 cards, just so you know. So I have inked up that stamp again with Fresh Freesia for the base, and then I'm daubing on the bottom half, the loved half, with the Berry Burst, and this gives me a 2-tone. You'll see it really good in this one here. When you first do it, you might have to do a little bit of practice runs, but eventually the stamp gets seasoned. Okay, so this is a regular card base, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, and on the one side I'm going to slice off 3/4 of an inch. So again, Mondays are very simple cards, and I figured that you already know kind of how to fussy cut. If you had a something that can cut the sentiment out for you, that's a great thing, but I had to do mine the old-fashioned way. I don't mind fussy cutting. And I wanted to share the dimensions of this cardstock. So the Berry Burst mat is 3 1/4 by 5 1/4, and then the designer series paper is 3 inches wide, 5 inches tall. So, and then I have an inside strip that is, and you'll see those little blue triangles there, that is 1 inch wide and 5 1/4 inches tall, and that is just copy paper. And I don't know what I was really thinking. I made it 4 1/4 by 5 and hang on. 4 by 5 1/4. Oh my gosh. And then I put this little strip of paper on, but I used the white card base. So honestly, you can just put this, if you have a white card base, you can put this little strip on the inside of the card and not worry about the insert piece. Or if you had a colored card base, you could put the white piece in. I don't know what I was thinking, but anyway, it's not bad to do. Usually when I put an insert in, I put it on the I just put adhesive on the top, and that's in case somebody wants to reuse that card. They can just take off that inside piece. Oftentimes when I give cards to my team and to customers, I just put a sticky note in there, and I sort of have a little poem in there, and that's all I do. I don't necessarily have to sign the card, but I will tell you this, my cards get sent out. So I encourage you all, if you're making cards, please send them out. It's Valentine's Day. Send some Valentine's cards, even send it anonymously. Go to all your neighbors and plunk it in and sneak away. Use up your papers, you guys. Don't hoard your cards, your designs. It's nice to get them out and give them a new home. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing here. I put the designer series paper on that Berry Burst cardstock. I'm putting the insert in. I fussy cut a little kid out because I was kind of sacrificing the kids on the front by putting the sentiment. So I did try hard to make it work. Those are my cards for today. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.